Alright, it is time to get stripping because it's paint time. Alright, so we're back down JS Performance and Jassie's been working hard on stripping this thing. No, we didn't get it started yet, but we're in a time crunch, so we need to keep the ball rolling. He got the wiring loom done for the engine. He's still got to do the body loom. But yeah, if we can paint this thing, that means we can then put everything back together for its final time. And we'll do the exterior paint after getting it all running, tuned up, blah, blah, blah. Maybe even a test, don't know. But we're running out of time. We've got now only 4 weeks, maybe, till World Time Attack. So it's getting pretty full on. So the pressure's on everywhere right now. But let's have a look at where we're at. All right, so last time we were working on dummying up the flares, and Jassie has finished off the rear flares, which were the old front flares. So they're looking absolutely gangster. I'm digging the big chunky lip that I've gone with, which is the biggest difference from the barrel wags. And he's finished it off nice. So if you don't know, still full rear door functions. The new front flares arrive, which I can't really show you, but if you look at the difference, you can see that the pitch is heaps more harsh. The arch radius is actually a bit bigger to give lock clearance, and we've got a smaller lip compared to the old one. So we've removed about 10 mil. This is 30, this is 20, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see like a complete different style to the barrel wags on this one. Nice harsh pitch there. So thanks Plus 389 for smashing them out and getting them out super quick for us to keep on moving.
Yeah, we're getting there. Got it stripped down. Got the rails plated with nuts welded to the backside for our bash bar. Got our hood pins done. So they're the stands for the hood pins, and the hood pins are in the bonnet there.
Oh, looks beautiful on that patina bonnet.
It's got the aero catches, but yeah, we've got a whole lot of welding, grinding, sealing to do. Finished stripping it, finished welding the rear firewall, dry sump, enclosure, the tubs, weld up a heap of holes, get it on the rotisserie, seam seal underneath, fill all the holes in the floor, and seal her up and push her next door and get that ass painted so we can start putting it back together.
Yes.
5 minute job.
What's going on here? Night shifters. True. She bear. Is that fun? Over it. So full interior underneath, and that's about it.
Yeah.
And bay.
All in one go.
All in one.
Yep.
Should we have a look at the premium colour?
Yeah.
Colour reveals.
Let's have a look. little shake around.
This colour barrel, eh? Oh. If you didn't know, we have Hertz auto-tune tees on our website. So you can support Hert and jump on that while you're jumping on some of the premium KEEPITREET merch. And if you want, you can use the code SPICY, SPICEY. Yes, it's probably spelled wrong, but if you bang that in, you'll get a discount. So make sure you get on that. Head to keepitrete.com right now and get yourself some merch.
Going with the Valspar DTM.
It looks like.
Look, he's better than the photo sample. Photo sample looks too dark.
Yeah. Photos are really hard to tell. Yeah. It is hard to tell even on that, with this lighting and whatnot. But there you go. It is Sandy Taupus, so your Land Cruiser colour. I haven't actually seen anything sprayed on a drift cut. I tried to look it up if anyone had sprayed anything, but it doesn't look like it. But it's basically a version of kind of like Nardo Grey. It's the same kind of tone, just a different version.
Everyone loves Sandy Taupus.
Because originally we was thinking about doing like a sandalwood, like a VL style. Jay Duke has already basically done that with his VL.
You can tell them originally what you sent me. Your Nike shoe. Can you colour match my Nike shoe? I'll just walk into Body Shop Bayswater with a shoe and go, can you help me?
Perfect. To be honest, that's still kind of the theme. It is very actually close to it. I don't know if I've seen the dash. Have you got the dash somewhere chilling? It's easy to access. So it's got the brown interior and the door cards. I haven't actually seen the door cards, but don't really have time to do all that before World Time Attack. So I like the brown. It will work really well with this colour. And then when we find out the exterior colour also seems to go really well. But we'll find out that as well.
All up, we've got 3 to 4 days to have this car, like working hours, repaired, painted, 2 colours.
Working hours.
Yeah. 3-day paint job. Should be right. Let's go.
Alright, while Wardy's painting the shell, we got the Diff here and we're going to attempt to bend it. Got these toe plates a while ago that bolt to the hubs. Got them off Temu. I've measured the toe, so the toe plates are saying it's got 6mm toe out. So I'm going to put it up on the jack stands, get the oxy out and see if we can heat shrink this thing to square or even a little bit of toe in. So just installed our 3 pumps into our radium hanger. Absolute engineering masterpiece from the boys at Radium. So we got our 2 525 primary pumps and our 1 255 lift pump or 460 lift pump. Gorgeous. Let's chuck her back together.
Several days later.
All right, quick surprise visit because Dale's been pumping out the paint and Jassie's starting to do reassembly and whatnot. So let's see where they're at. See this paint job. Yeah, g'day, mate. Ooh! That's an army car. Gang. What's going on here?
Oh, same cylinder stuff.
Yeah, nice. Ooh, Jassie's paint booth. I remember this place.
Funny corporate, this isn't at like...
No, this is an actual booth somewhere else. Looking good though, Jassie's. Anyway, quick drive back to Jessie's factory. Now she's down. There. What a colour.
Army car.
It's the new Nardo Grey.
Yeah, it's cool.
Watch it trend instantly. I'm actually surprised no one's done it. I'm sure someone will say, oh, you copied me. Someone will come out with the woodwork and it's been done. Yeah, everyone's done it on external of their 4B in the 4B world, but not drift car things and interior. Even external. I'm sure someone's done drift car external in it, but Desert Trooper, what's that?
Yes, tomorrow when everything's a bit more dry, it's a bit sticky, I'll start putting it back together.
Okay.
I'm sorting out the clutch slave right now. Percheck spacer.
It's true. Hasn't had a clutch on this thing, has it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the slave wasn't in.
Yeah.
So you can see if your clearances are right. If you did good measurings or not.
We'll find out.
Give it enough room to grow.
The next day.
Alright, got the radium fuel cell in. Army cars coming together. Got our freshly painted satin black K-frame in. I'm gonna remove our rad support, unbolt our rad support. Motor's about to go in. I did a water line. That one there, it's gonna come up to here. There's gonna be a bleed nipple here to bleed air out of the top of the motor. Put our slave cylinder in with our spacer that Pertec machined up. Shout out Pertec Bayswater. Done an amazing job on that. Our measurements are beautiful. We've got 7 to 8mm of free play. So ideally, I like around 5mm. Because it's a brand new clutch, we're gonna allow a little room for growing. So that shouldn't be an issue. It's pretty perfect. And got our lines there. One of these will have a bleed nipple put in them and one of them will be a dry brake thanks to Raceworks, so we can pull the box off and on without having to rebleed the clutch. And yeah, it's pretty much good to go. So let's get this motor back in its home for the last time.
Face it, yeah, don't hit me on my phone like face it. None of y'all can stop me, say it with me like face it. Shut it down, you know I'm the one, just face it. None of y'all can stop me, say it with me like yeah, face it. Yeah, face it.
Looks gang. So good. The sandy taupe. It pops with a bit of black and silver. I love it.
Surely all that black makes you want to do black covers, satin black covers
On what?
on the sails.
Nah.
Look at the black
No
though.
chance. Nah, it'll ruin it. ruin the build. I want to do like, because you can get like, so this cover here, Jesse wants to go matte black and ruin the whole car.
Satin.
Yeah, either or.
Same colour as everything else on the car.
I want to cheapen the whole car. It's different when it's painted. I was going to do like, you could run, like you could do like your number or some sponsors. So if it's body colour, then you can almost run like a piece, like a full piece with the kind of like the ties and delivery and shit, or even the interior.
Put like an iPad there, so it won't change sponsors. Like the logo on there.
All right, now what?
Yeah, it's coming together. I'll put the diff in as well. So it's all painted up. Got all the arms and stuff in there. So hey, you're sorting out some stuff with Shockworks to get all the shock and spring links dialed in, so it does the thing and it hooks up. The diff bent up. I filmed a little thing and then didn't really do a follow up, but I was too busy playing with an oxy trying not to burn the place down. So it should have, according to my calculations, around about 4 or 5 mil total toe in now.
And for reference, the barrel wags is like 0, neutral?
I think
or even
it's
toe
like
out a little bit.
Tiny bit of toe out.
0.5 or 1 mil toe out on the barrel wags, just because we didn't bother bending her up.
Well, we tried. We sent it to someone.
Oh, we sent it back to the diff shop. And they talk about that.
No, I can't bend it.
No, send it back. Yeah, it should be good. Exactly the same. Anyway.
So what's next?
I don't know. Wiring. You gotta just get it back on some wiring soon. Or what's your process of order?
Yeah, well, I got Matt from Pertec Bayswater coming down after hours this week to give me a job out. So he's going to be smashing out the plumbing and I'm going to be doing the wiring. So yeah, I'm going to get the ECU back in there and start doing wiring again, and he can start doing plumbing and
Gangster.
get all the raceworks lines and fittings in there. And
We're in crunch time now. That's for sure.
But yeah, it should be all right. I'm going away next Thursday, so she's going to go get painted next Thursday. So hopefully it's all finished by then.
So maybe some late nights next week. We'll see what happens.
Should
Get her on the dyno.
Smash her out.
Next video,
Probably
running, paint.
Probably go do alignment once it's all buttoned up.
Yep.
And then do front flares and then paint. Crunch time. Let's do it.
Exciting.
Looks good. It's coming together.
Let us know how excited you are in the comments. And yeah, should be at World Time Attack. So make sure you smack that like and subscribe. And
It'll be running in the next video.
yeah, if you want to see it running, better subscribe, or you won't even know.
A bit the best sounding JZ on the planet.
100% guaranteed. See you on the next one.